Hey there! Welcome to the Lenovo Yoga 7, the ultimate 2-in-1 laptop experience. Hi everyone, it's Mark here, and I'm super excited to bring you another review. Today we're exploring the amazing world of 2-in-1 laptops with the Lenovo Yoga 7, a device that offers both power and flexibility. We're looking at model number 83, DK000-SKU6571486. You can find the best buy link down below in the description. Right now it's priced at $749.99. Throughout this video we'll be taking a closer look at the specs, the design, and of course the performance of this versatile machine. We'll see if it lives up to the hype and if it's the right choice for you. From the sleek design to the powerful internals, we're going to break it all down, covering the pros, the cons, and everything in between. So, if you're in the market for a new 2-in-1 laptop, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in together. Hey there, let's jump right in and chat about what makes this laptop so awesome. The Lenovo Yoga 7 is packed with some serious power. It's got the AMD Ryzen 5 8640HS processor, which is a total beast for handling all your tasks. Whether you're editing photos, videos, or just have a ton of tabs open, trust me, I've been there. This processor can handle it all without breaking a sweat. But it's not just about raw power, it's also super efficient. The Ryzen 5 8640HS is built on a 7nm process, which means it sips power, giving you longer battery life. And speaking of battery life, we'll dive into that a bit later. Now let's talk storage. The Lenovo Yoga 7 comes with a spacious 512GB SSD. That's right, 512GB of lightning-fast storage for all your files, apps, games, and whatever else you can think of. No more worrying about running out of space or waiting forever for your computer to boot up. And to top it all off, we've got 8GB of RAM. Now 8GB of RAM might not sound like a lot these days, but trust me, it's more than enough for most everyday tasks. From multitasking between apps to browsing the web with countless tabs open, this Yoga 7 can handle it all smoothly and efficiently. Of course, if you're a power user who's constantly pushing the limits, you might want to consider opting for the 16GB RAM configuration, but for the average user, 8GB is going to be more than enough. So, to sum it up, the Lenovo Yoga 7 is no slouch when it comes to performance. It's got the power, the speed, and the efficiency to keep up with your demanding workflow. And with that kind of performance packed into such a sleek and portable design, this laptop is a serious contender in the 2-in-1 market. But hey, we're just getting started. We still have a lot to cover, including that gorgeous 2K touchscreen display, the overall design and build quality, and of course we have to talk about battery life. So, make sure you stick around because we're about to dive deep into all of that and more. One of the first things you'll notice about the Lenovo Yoga 7 is its gorgeous 14-inch 2K touchscreen display. And trust me, it's a real treat for the eyes. The screen is sharp, vibrant, and just a joy to look at. With a resolution of 2240 x 1400 pixels, everything looks incredibly detailed. That's a pixel density that can compete with the best laptops out there. So what does that mean for you? It means everything on the screen looks super crisp and detailed. From text to images to videos, everything just pops. But it's not just about the resolution. The color accuracy is also fantastic. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or just browsing the web, the colors are spot on. And let's not forget about the touchscreen. It's responsive, accurate, and makes navigating Windows 11 a breeze. And speaking of Windows 11, the Yoga 7 comes with the latest version, so you get all the new features and improvements. Now you might be wondering, do I really need a touchscreen on a laptop? And that's a fair question. But once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It adds another layer of interaction and makes using your laptop so much more intuitive. Plus, it's great for creative tasks like drawing, note-taking, and even light photo editing. And let's be honest, it's just fun to poke and swipe at the screen sometimes. Overall, the 2K touchscreen display on the Lenovo Yoga 7 is a real highlight. It's sharp, vibrant, and responsive, making it a joy to use for both work and play. Chapter 3. Now, let's dive into what makes the Lenovo Yoga 7 such an awesome choice in the world of 2-in-1 laptops. Honestly, there's so much to love here. First up, the versatility of this machine is just incredible. With its 360-degree hinge, you can easily switch between laptop and tablet modes, making it perfect for all sorts of activities. Whether you're working on a presentation, browsing the web, or binge-watching your favorite shows, the Yoga 7 adapts to your needs. And let's not forget about the performance. As we mentioned earlier, the AMD Ryzen 5 8640HS processor is a powerhouse, delivering snappy performance for everyday tasks, and even handling more demanding workloads with ease. Plus, the 512GB SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and app loading, so you're never left waiting. But it's not just about what's inside. Lenovo has also nailed the design and build quality of the Yoga 7. The laptop is crafted from premium materials and feels super solid in hand. The Arctic gray finish adds a touch of sophistication and looks sleek and modern. The keyboard is also a joy to type on. It offers well-spaced keys with decent travel, making it comfortable for long typing sessions. And the trackpad is large, responsive, and supports all the Windows 11 gestures. Another great feature of the Yoga 7 is its port selection. You get two USB-C ports, one of which supports Thunderbolt 4 for super fast data transfer and charging. You've also got a USB-A port, an HDMI port, and a headphone jack, so all your connectivity needs are covered. And to top it all off, the Yoga 7 comes with a Lenovo Active Pen, which is perfect for taking notes, sketching, or just navigating the touchscreen with more precision. Chapter 4. Alright, let's chat about a few tiny hiccups with the Lenovo Yoga 7. Remember, these are just little things and they might not be a big deal for everyone. First up, the battery life. The Yoga 7's battery life is decent, but not amazing. With regular use, you can expect around 6 to 7 hours. But if you're really pushing it with heavy tasks or high brightness, that number will drop. Another thing to think about is the weight. At around 3.2 pounds, it's not the lightest Ultrabook out there. It's still portable and easy to carry, but if you want something super light, there are other options. And lastly, the price. At $749.99, it's not exactly cheap, but considering the premium build, powerful performance, and versatile design, it's still a good deal compared to others. So those are just a few minor quirks of the Lenovo Yoga 7. But overall, these are just small things and they don't change the fact that this is still an awesome 2-in-1 laptop. Chapter 5. So there you have it, folks. That's the Lenovo Yoga 7, a 2-in-1 laptop that really wowed me. From its gorgeous 2K touchscreen display to its powerful performance and flexible design, it ticks a lot of boxes. The AMD Ryzen 5 8640HS processor gives you fantastic performance for both everyday tasks and more demanding work. The 512GB SSD ensures super fast boot times and app loading, and the 8GB of RAM is more than enough for smooth multitasking. The 360-degree hinge lets you easily switch between laptop and tablet modes, making it super versatile for all kinds of uses. And the sleek modern design with the Arctic gray finish is sure to catch some eyes. Of course, no laptop is perfect, and the Yoga 7 does have a few minor drawbacks like the average battery life and the slightly heavier weight compared to some competitors. But overall, these are just small nitpicks, and they don't take away from the fact that this is still an awesome 2-in-1 laptop. If you're looking for a new laptop and you value versatility, performance, and a stunning display, then the Lenovo Yoga 7, model number 83DK000 DUSQ 6571486, is definitely worth checking out. At $749.99, it's a solid investment that will serve you well for years to come. But hey, that's just my take on it. I'd love to hear what you think about the Lenovo Yoga 7 in the comments below. Outro. Thanks a bunch for watching. If you're curious about the Lenovo Yoga 7 or thinking of getting one, check out the link in the description below. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech reviews, comparisons, and all-around cool tech content. Until next time, this is Kunal signing off. Take care.